good afternoon, Beach Bums. I'm on my way back in. I just happened to stop over by Happy Factory. Fresh popcorn right behind me here. It is right at that corner as you come off of the ship, and if you make a right as you're before you cross the street to go down to downtown Ensenada, if you make that first right, you'll see it here. It's called Happy Factory again. Fresh popcorn. They have a bunch of different flavor popcorn. I haven't tried it personally, but I know I have friends that buy from them all the time. So you know, give them a try if you'd like. So they have sorry about the background noise. Tutti Frutti, Sweet Mix. As you can see, I'll let you guys kind of read for yourselves. But so they got all these different options. Limon con sal de mar sounds good. Sounds like nice. Limon habanero. That sounds good. So it's cool. Some non-traditional popcorn. So then here's the prices up here, so that you just have a general idea. Again, that's in pesos. So I believe right now the conversion's 20 pesos to $1. So kind of do the math from there. But anyway, like I said, I haven't tried them personally, but I have friends. You know what? I may just end up buying one, just so I can say that I've tried it. I'm not sure which one I'm going to get yet, but I'll let you know. All right, be right back. The limon con sal de mar, this one here. So basically lemon and salt. And then I got the queso cheddar. So those are the two that I got. I'll have to try them later. I'm not really hungry right now, but I'll try them later, and then I'll maybe do in one of my wrap-ups, I'll talk about it. Okay guys, thank you. Okay, Beach Bums, I am back at that churro stand that I came to last time. I think I mentioned that the churros were good on the outside. They were a little doughy on the inside. Luckily, there was somebody here that was able to help translate and ask the guy if he could make it so that it's not so doughy on the inside. So I'm gonna give it another chance, and I'll try to, here we go. Again, I just wanna make sure everybody knew that it was this place here. So, yeah, so again, I want to give him another chance, because again, on the outside it was great. It had all the cinnamon and sugar that I would expect and all that stuff. It just was a little doughy on the inside. So he said he's gonna make sure that it's well done, or cooked in, you know, cooked through, or whatever you want to call it, on the inside. So I'll give it a try. I'll pop back on here and let you know how it is. Thanks guys. Okay, we're gonna try this again here. So it broke off. Here's the other part here. It broke off, so I'm gonna just try this part that broke off so I can get rid of it. Temperature high, just because it came out of the thing. But yeah, I mean, still a little, and maybe it's just the way it's made here, but yeah, still a little doughy on the inside here. I don't know if you could see that there, or maybe in the other one you can kind of see on the inside. But again, flavor wise, on the outside it's good. You know, now it's, and trying to keep it in there longer made it, but still, you know, it's edible for sure. It's edible for sure. But yeah, again, I don't know, maybe it's just the way they make it. So all right, I'll go ahead and finish this because I'm running out of hands here. So all right, we'll talk to y'all later. All right guys, another little food stop. We're at the Elote place, which is over by the Carnival port again. So my friends are ordering a elote, so I just want to kind of show you what they're getting and what they have as options here. So let's see, I think they are getting a cup. I think there was another option, I think in like inside of a chip bag or whatever, it's like that, but looks like they're good with it. And then they have a smaller cup and a bigger cup, so that one is a big cup there. So it looks like they're gonna put butter inside, and then she's gonna scoop out the corn. Yum, it smells so good. I love corn, so if you love corn, the white corn, yeah, it smells so good. She cut, what is that, lime? They're cutting the lime, squeezing that in. Yum. So far I'm in. And then more butter on top. Very nice. Ooh. And then, is that mayonnaise? I think that's mayo. Yum. Cheese, no cheese.
A little bit. Yeah, that's okay.
So you have an option for cheese, so they're gonna put some cheese there on top as well. Let's see. Yeah. What is that? Is that the Cheetos? Hot Cheetos. Okay, so they're gonna go with the hot Cheetos. So any of this is optional if you don't like cheese or you don't like whatever.
This one, it comes with the cheese, but no cheese. I got no cheese, so.
Okay.
That's what's different. But
Oh, whose is this one?
Because it's just no nacho cheese. It comes with nacho.
Oh, nacho cheese.
Yeah.
Okay, so you went with the one. Okay, cool.
I'm gonna get one too.
Well, that looks delicious. That's a good. So how much is that in American dollars?
60 pesos. So like.
No, that one's 75 pesos. 4.
So roughly about $3 and some odd, whatever. Yeah, so it's between $3 and $4.
$3, honey.
$3?
Yeah.
Okay. So that little, well, not so little. That's a pretty good sized cup right there. So here, let me come over here so you can see the cup options. So here are the different cup options right up here. So you got the kids, and then they got a Chico.
Did you throw yours?
Medium. You got a grande and an extra grande. And here's all the different types of stuff they have.
Oh my gosh, I didn't notice all the stuff down here.
Let me come in.
Spice, really
Yeah,
spicy.
it's
Okay,
okay.
I was assuming.
Yeah, Dorito. Wow.
Oh no.
Yeah, but that's pretty cool. So you can get something just small, like if you just want to sample it.
Got the
before
sauce
you-
and shit. We need to take a
But
picture.
all the way up to extra grande, and I think that was the one he got, was the extra grande, the 60 pesos. So yeah, 20 to 1, so that would be $3. That makes sense. So anyway, I'll pop back on and let you know what they think of it after they've had a few bites. All right, thanks. Had a bite, but we're gonna pretend she didn't. What do you?
She also.
What is that?
I don't know. She said one of them over there was really spicy that I was gonna grab, and she said this is really good. It's really good on top. It kind of tastes like Valentina.
Is it sauce?
Yeah.
Okay.
Kind of tastes like Valentina. It's really good with the hot Cheetos. There's mayonnaise.
Man,
But it's really good because at the state fair I've gotten this for like almost $10.
Oh,
and then
nice.
this is like even better quality and like it tastes better. So
Very good.
this is really cool.
So for that was $3, right? That's
Yeah.
the extra grande or whatever it is. Yeah.
I think theirs is like $3.50, $3.75 with the cheese.
So not bad. So okay. So she says good. There you go. That's my niece Shelby. So she likes it. She likes it. They're also
delicious.
getting some down there. It looks like as well. Is he getting it the same way? Evan, you getting it the same
with
way?
nacho cheese.
Oh, with nacho cheese. Okay, so yeah, Evan's gonna get it with nacho cheese. So we'll see what they think. Okay, so we've all got the corn. I end up getting one with not everything on it. I just got the squeezed lime and the tahini. And I was just asking them, was their corn seem like hard, or I don't want to say undercooked, but I guess for lack of a better word, undercooked. And it's not sweet corn. Like usually, isn't white corn kind of like sweet typically,
Yeah, it's
or
supposed to be
whatever?
sweet.
Yeah. So it's not sweet. You know what it tastes like?
More
You know,
the starchy side.
it tastes like hominy. Have you ever had hominy?
Yeah, it's more like hominy.
Yeah.
Like that consistency.
Right? It has the consistency and taste of hominy. So if you've had hominy,
Hominy is corn, but it's just like that big and chewy. Yeah.
right. That's what I would compare it to, because I kept thinking, what does this taste like? What does it have the consistency of? So I would say, if you like hominy and you like the flavor and you like the consistency, then I think you'd be okay with this. But for me, nah, sorry. Again, I want to be honest. I don't want you to go there and go, oh, but you said. So I'm gonna tell you, for me, it's okay. I got the like the medium one, which was I think 40 pesos or whatever. So yeah, it was okay. It was worth trying, just so that way I can kind of try it for myself and see how it is. And yeah, so if you like hominy, this is your jam. If you don't like hominy, yeah, probably be a pass. So all right guys, thank you. Well, beach bums, it is back to ship time. Good day in Ensenada. Try to go try something different food wise, so you'll see that in this vlog. And went back to that liquor store and just kind of wanted to show you how to get there, because you know, and following up with some of my past videos, people were trying to get a general idea of where that liquor store was. And as I explained before, that there was some confusion because there was another one that's similar to it. So I want to make sure people were guided to the right store. tried a few different places, went to a popcorn place, went and tried that churro place again and again, and it was a pass. I wanted it to be good. I really did. So I'm still on the hunt for a good churro place. So maybe next time when I come back, April 1st. I tried the Elote place that's right outside the port. Again, that was not, for me, not good. The corn, like I was talking to my buddy afterwards, he said, you know, if it was more flavorful, or if it was sweet corn, would have been better or different. And I said, yeah, maybe. I could have probably given the texture a pass if the corn was sweet and or whatever, but the combination of it not being sweet and the texture was a pass for me. So again, I always want to be truthful and honest and keep it real for you guys. So all right, headed back to the ship. Here we go. They're welcoming us home. I like the sign, welcome home. I love it. The Radiance has been home for me for the last 4 trips, and then upcoming three more times that I know of that are booked. All right, we'll catch back up with you later. Take care, beach moms.